Hi everyone, if you're looking for a gift for this holiday season, I have a quick project for you. This is made with one board of our merino number 5. So merino number 5 is 100% merino wool, so it's very soft, but also this is very chunky, very thick, so you can make it very fast, like just a few hours can make any of this hat. So I'm wearing a cable beanie. So this is cable, a very simple cable. And also this is 1x1 rib and stockinette and the pom-pom. You can make with pom-pom or just a simple rib beanie without pom-pom. This is very cute and versatile. This is you can wear as a slouch beanie like this, or you can fold it if you want to wear a more tighter version. This can man and woman, anyone can wear this. And this is with pom-pom. This is a slightly more looser. This slouchy with pom-pom. I think this is very cute for holidays. If you're a beginner, this is a great project for you. So this is needed in a round, so you don't have to know per stitch. If you know only knit stitch, you can make this. So we have a video tutorial, you can learn from it. We show you from beginning to end, and we also have a separate video how to make pom-pom. And we also have, this is what is it called? Aviatrix hat. So this has ear clips, so it keeps you warm. Also have a video tutorials you can learn from it. It's not hard to make it. Basically, follow the video. And I hope it help you, give you some ideas. And they are all very thoughtful and beautiful gifts. And other projects you can make one ball of merino number 5. Can be one of these fairy wings. So this is you can wear as a bonnet like this. You can pull it through, and hairband. We also have a mohair version of this, but this is such a cute project, but it's also very quick. Headband, we have free pattern you can download, super easy. You can make actually 2 of these with one ball of merino number 5. And these are same as these fairy wings. We have beautiful color palette as well as tweed. And also you can make a hairband bonnet like this. It's super cute. We have children version and adult. This is very cute, quick project. But also one ball can make this cowl. This is super squishy. Let me try one. So like this, and you can fold it. This is a great gift for holidays. Another great one ball project would be with our Dream yarn. So Dream is 100% merino wool, but it's worsted weight. So compared to merino number 5, this is a lot thinner and a lot more compact. So any one ball of yarn can make any of these hats, even with pom-pom. These are all very simple design and staple pieces. So you can wear slouch or folded, and if you have leftovers, you can make striped hat like this. So these are all done with our Dream yarn, just one ball. It only takes few hours to make this. I think this is a great idea for gift too. So this is made with our mohair so soft. So mohair so soft is blended with mohair, kids mohair and super fine merino, and it's very thick. It's not lace mohair, so it goes very fast. And this hat is one ball of mohair, so soft. So one ball can make any of these hats. We have beautiful colors. This can be unisex. This is very very soft. Like I'm wearing one. And also you can make a hairband like this. This only takes few hours to make any of this project. I think it's just a quick gift. And also we have this fairy ring. This is, you can wear as a neck warmer like this. Very, very easy pattern. And or you can wear as head, what is it called? Headband. Or so you can wear like this, or you can wear as a head scarf like this. It's very versatile. Those are very easy to make and quick project. I think I hope I can give you some ideas for holidays. This is simple beanie, but everyone needs one of these.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.